Do you want to change the locks quickly, for security reasons? Want to increase the overall security and safety of your business? Then call 1-300-655-787 About Locks and get fast, reliable, cost-effective locksmith service anywhere in Sydney. Wherever you are, and whatever your needs are, professional mobile technicians at AbbottLocks will make those annoying lock and key problems disappear, leaving you with a smile. Avail locksmith services at any time of the day or night. AbbottLocks.com.au offers lock solutions, expertise and up-to-date practical security requirements for residential, commercial, industrial and automotive areas. Upgrade the security of your home at unbelievable prices, and feel safe. For any locksmith services, head over to AbbottLocks.com.au.